gladly give my heart to you, but the rest belongs to me. A hold on me would be a waste of time. I never could toe the mark, and I never could walk the line. No. Oh. Does the thing on me, takes me home to a gentle touch, wants what's left of me.